Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw USDT from your Arculus wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're holding USDT and want to move it over for trading or staking, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. First off, a quick refresher: USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a stable option in the volatile crypto world. Arculus Wallet is a secure hardware wallet, and Robinhood is a popular trading platform. Let's dive in. Step 1. Ensure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and your Robinhood account set up. Open the Arculus app and log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your assets. Step 2. In the Arculus app, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section and select USDT from your holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 3. Before proceeding, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your Wallet section, find your USDT address, and copy it carefully. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so double check to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and review any transaction fees. Network fees can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with your wallet's security features. Once sent, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if it's on the Ethereum network. Step 6. Finally, check your Robinhood account to confirm the USDT has arrived. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network speed. A few pro tips: always use two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving regulations, keep an eye on any new compliance requirements for transfers. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.